All right, guys, I have partnered up with my buddies over at Buckmasters, and they wanted a video of something how I would feed a crowd at the deer camp. So my go-to is Brunswick stew. So we got a Boston butt. I'm using the Camp Chef Woodwind Pro on this one with cherry wood in the smoke box. A little drip tray up underneath with some apple juice. We're going to let that baby roll. Look at the bark. Next, we're going to add some chicken thighs on there. Once the chicken thighs are done at internal temp of around 170, we're going to pull them off. No wrap on this butt. Just let it go all the way. Hit 205, let it rest, shred it up, and it's time to get on that Brunswick stew. Butter, onions, season it up, a little garlic, and you can add whatever you want to. So we're going potatoes, lima beans, whole kernel corn, veg all, cream corn, fire roasted tomatoes, chicken stock, that W sauce, baby. Mix it up good, and then put a big heaping helping of barbecue sauce in there, a little brown sugar. Put the lid on it, let it roll for about 45 minutes, simmering along. Next, we're going to come back and add in that shredded chicken and that shredded pork. Get it mixed up good. Let it sit for another 20 minutes. Y'all know what time it is. It's time to go on for that bite, baby. This was absolutely freaking killer. Enjoy, guys.